Hello all, welcome to this session. In this session, I am going to teach you what is the best way of understanding the Java programs from scratch, especially if you are a beginner and are new to Java programming. Okay, then what is the best way of learning or understanding the Java programs? Let me reveal the secret for you. The secret is very simple, guys. That is, you should not learn everything about Java programming in a single session. So that is a secret. So how to learn it? You have to learn it over a good number of sessions. So in this session, I'm going to teach you one concept. Next session, I'll be teaching you another concept about Java programming. So your understanding of the Java programming will increase from session to session. So this is the best way of learning the or understanding the Java programs from scratch. Okay. So I'll take the responsibility of making you guys understand the Java programs from scratch in a better way. So you focus on learning one by one concept. Okay. In one session, you'll be learning one concept. Next session, you'll be learning another concept and so on. And over a period of sessions, your understanding the Java programs will definitely rise. So don't try to understand or learn everything about Java programming in a single session. Okay. So just focus on that. So let's get started with that thing, guys. So as part of that, in this session, I'm going to teach you one concept as part of increasing your understanding in the Java programming. That concept is in Java programs, we have to enclose everything inside a class. This is the first concept that you have to understand. Remaining all, you just leave it for a while. Okay. When you are learning this concept, remaining all concepts, you should ignore. Whatever comes in your way, just ignore. Just focus on this concept only in this session. That's what I advise you. Okay. Suggest you. So in Java programs, we have to enclose everything inside a class. So let me show you. So this is one example Java program that we have seen already in the previous session, right? So here, is everything in Java programming is enclosed inside a class? Yes or no? You see, this is a class. Class name. This is starting of the class. This is ending of the class. So everything in the Java programming is inside the class only, right? First we have created the class and inside the class, all the code is there. All the program is there. Okay. Inside this class only the total program is there. That's right? Which is correct. So in Java programs, the first rule is that we have to enclose everything inside a class. Yes, this example program proves that. So here we have the class, starting of the class, ending of the class, and everything is enclosed. All the programming code is inside this class only. So class is enclosing everything, okay, inside a class. Everything is enclosed inside a class in the Java programs. Fine. So what is the syntax of a class? Syntax is public, class name. Okay. Public, class name. Starting of the class, ending of the class. If I remove this, this becomes the syntax of the class. So here name can be anything. Okay. Name can be anything. So public, class name, starting of the class, ending of the class is the syntax of the class. Fine. So here class term, here class is a keyword, one of the keyword in Java programming. Here class is one of the predefined keyword in Java programming. And after this class, whatever the thing that you write, it will become the name of the class. Class name. Okay. Why we have to use class? Using this class keyword, we are defining or creating a class in Java programming. First thing that you need to understand here is in Java programming, everything will be enclosed inside what? Class. But how to create that class? In Java programming, everything will be closed inside a class. Everything will be inside a class. But how to create that class? Using the class keyword. Okay. Using the class keyword, we can create a class. Class keyword, which is a predefined keyword in Java, followed by that class keyword, you have to give the class name, starting of the class, ending of the class. That's what is the syntax. And that's what is the use of the class keyword. Okay. So class term is used as syntax to create or define a class in Java. And in Java programming, everything will be enclosed inside the class. But first we have to create the class and then we can enclose everything inside a class. But how to create the class? Using the class keyword. Class keyword followed by the name of the class. So I can write like this. For example, class is a keyword. After the class keyword, what we have to write? The name of the class. Let's say demo1 is the name of the class. So this is the starting of the class. This is the ending of the, like this is the syntax of the class case. Okay. This is how we need to create a class in Java using the class keyword, class followed by the class name, which should be in upper camel case. Starting of the class, ending of the class. And inside that you can have any, you can enclose everything. Okay. Inside this Java file, inside this class, you can enclose everything inside this class. As you already know, we have to enclose everything inside a class in Java programs. But to create the class, we have to use a class keyword and like this. Okay. Now you can put all the code inside this class. So class will enclose everything in Java programming. Fine. So this concept you need to understand first, okay? Hope you understood this first concept. So remaining all, you see a lot of other things are there, okay? Here I forgot to put public also. You can, it's optional. Public is optional here, but you can put it. It's not compulsory to have public here. So did I explain anything about public? No. Did I explain anything about public or static or void here? No. Did I explain anything about main, string of args? Many things I didn't cover. Okay, so your focus in this particular session should be all about the class, guys. Class will enclose everything in Java programming and how to create the class using the class keyword. That's what only you need to understand in this session. If you try to understand each and everything that I have shown here in this particular Java file, then you will not be able to learn it properly. That's what I am saying from the beginning, right? The best way of learning or understanding the Java programs is to learn in a step-by-step manner, one by one concept you have to learn. So in this session, you are only learning about the class, how to create the class and how to enclose in everything inside the class in Java programming is something you are learning in this session. Remaining all things that you don't know or didn't understand in this session, ignore it. That will be covered in the upcoming sessions. Okay. So that's all for this session. See you in the next session. Thank you. Bye bye.